201. And her friend Victoria.
Yeah.
Hi. She said I'm scarelicious.
She said people stare at her. So I am not normal.
Yesterday was her birthday, so she had...
No.
Tomorrow is my birthday. Her birthday, but yesterday was her party. And
You don't know my birthday.
she had a slumber party.
Slumber party.
And we were making a lot of videos
We
for
had cake.
YouTube. Yes, we did. And we had sugar cookies and ice cream.
Best part was the cake.
It really was. And so, we had a really fun time. And can I hold this first?
Dude, you're covering it. You're covering it.
Do you like my finger?
Stop it.
Do you like my finger?
No, your finger killed them.
Hi. Green Pig 201, as we already said.
Okay, we already said that. She just hit me with her pixie.
No, the
Stick.
pixie stick hit you.
Oh, like I said in the last video, I tried pouring pixie dust on my head, but it wouldn't come out. I kept hitting her with my pixie stick, and it was empty. Okay. I don't want this video to be long, so I'm just going to stop it right here. Bye. Bye.